everyone. So this is a quick breakdown in Euro AD. Wonderful setup. So I spoke about this one last week. So we see in a weekly perspective, Euro AD has been melting to the downside, and when you switch to the line graph, you see okay, price is currently acting as support around this level here. So we see it melt down, price come here, bounce the end here, and when you switch back to the candlestick, let me put the tools back. You see price acts as support here, and support here. And when you look at the moving average, currently uh, trending sideways, so that's kind of like a consolidation. So when you break this down to the daily, we're seeing prices when it was in this downward trend, creating low high low 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 high low 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 high low low. Then we had this break of structure around here. So we create something like a double bottom. Then we see this structure was broken and it started creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, testing the high, testing these lows here. So that's a very key indication. So we're seeing a shift of momentum from the downside to the upside, right? That's key. And also we're seeing EMA is a crossover here pointing to the upside, and also we're seeing a lot of rejection around this zone when you break it down to the low time frame. So that's a key indication, right? So the only thing we're seeing here is kind of like this rejection around here because of like the 200 moving average is acting as dynamic resistance here. So you see price went to the upside, testing the EMA, rejecting, came down, testing, rejecting, right? When you break this in the daily. And but the structure here, we have seen shift of momentum to the upside. And when you're breaking down to the 4 hour time frame, since we have this shift of momentum to the upside, meaning uh, we had this break of structure here, then price started creating high highs, high lows, high highs. Then this is a counter trend line. Then we're seeing price testing the previous high low, then went to the upside, right? And when you look here, we could also take this one as break of structure because this was a counter trend line. So it's okay, low high, low low, low high, low low, created another high high, high low, then high high. Then technically all this period here is a consolidation. So it's saying when you look at 1 hour time frame, we have this psychological level indicated by the blue line. So when you look, price bounced here, one, two, three, four, went to the upside. One, two, three, four, five, went to the upside. Here it's kind of like fake out, then went to the upside. Massive big move to the upside, and also it's in one, two, currently three. So this is where the price action is currently trading. So it's a key level, and when you look at that in the 4 time frame, what are you saying? When you look at the 200 moving average, is respecting here, here, and currently here. So what does that indicate? Bullish. So and also this is we said daily time frame indicates a weekly daily time frame indicates we have shift of momentum to the upside. When you look at the 4 time frame, also you see shift of momentum to the upside. We're kind of like in a consolidation around here, but you already see block of structure here, and it's also we have different confirmation like the 200 EMA acting as dynamic support and resistance. We have this like, psychological level, Fibonacci sequence respecting the 61.8. That's super key. So when you look at in 1 hour time frame, we indicated this supply is on here. So the only thing we need to see, we gotta break this down in the 30 minutes time frame. So we have this counter trend line, right? So price is creating low high, low low, low high, low low. And the only thing I was looking at like around 5 minutes chart. So we're seeing this counter trend line, right? So this you pull up your counter trend line. We're seeing price is rejecting this trend line. It doesn't want to break. So I indicated like this level. We need to see price break to the upside for a very good entry. So that's what I want. I want to see price do this, then at last this, then we want to see big move to the upside way to that. So that's my estimate. Then I'll be taking like long positions around this. You see, like price is currently like kind of breaking out. So long positions to the upside, very good. This is a very long opportunity. So I'll break it down to the 1 hour. Look at that. Look what's happening right now. Price is breaking out. Look, very cool. You see, like price is breaking out. Very good entry. So I wish you guys the best. Nice setup for the week. Good trade setup. I'll be looking for these opportunities to the upside. Very wonderful. Stop losses way. kind of below this liquidity spot, then yeah, targets were up. Thank you.